Through Law Tigers. We're motorcycle riders, and periodically when you go to different places, we tend to go to Greeley Harley Davidson. They give out that information. We had the card, and after my motorcycle accident, we called that number, which happened to be Metier Law Firm, and talked with Michael and moved forward. Working with Mike was a great experience for us. From the moment he met us in our home, we felt like we were in great hands. Our expectation going into this was a little bit scary. So you hope that certain things are met. And yet with Michael and Metier Law Group, over and over, we saw those expectations being met and being surpassed. Things that we had never thought of were taken care of before they ever arose, or there was an answer already on the table for us when something arose. So it was handled. Our case was handled with, sometimes it's hard for me to put in just such words. There was compassion. It kind of makes me emotional. The integrity of how they treated us, the information that was given to them. We never felt like there was never anything that we said that wasn't important. There was this really, it's almost kind of hard to explain, but it was almost like there was this tenderness that was given to us. They didn't look at us and say, oh yeah. There was every moment we felt like anybody that we were talking to cared about us. It was handled really compassionately. I mean, I think that's the best word that I can use to envelop everything from the moment that we met with Michael to the very end. There was just always this heartfelt gestures and verbiage, and just everything that was just done compassionately. We felt like the case was handled with all of our expectations and more. You know, it's so scary when you're in something like this and you have so many different things going on. You want someone who is competent to handle, and lawyers always tend to have kind of a stigma to them. And we never felt that way. It was everything that was done, the expectation for us was always explained. And then there seemed to be that next level that it went to. We found out that especially in a personal injury, you have so many different things that are happening to you personally because of the injury that you kind of go in hoping that someone's going to listen to you and someone's going to take care of you. And that was all. I think even my husband and my kids felt that there was someone there fighting on the backside for us while we took care of me trying to heal and get better. So our expectations were more than met. We absolutely refer Metier Law Firm. We believe that the same compassion and understanding and caring that they gave to us, that they will give to anybody that walks through the door. And that's easy for us to refer people to. I'm not big on referring people because sometimes you don't know that they're going to treat somebody else the same way as I've been treated. But with Metier Law Firm, we've never, ever doubted that anybody that's walked through this door hasn't been treated the same way as we have been treated. the integrity of this law firm is about every person. It's not because of who you are or what you are. It's because you're a person. That integrity, that compassion, that understanding is given to everybody equally. And I think for us, that was hugely important to know that they just care about people in general. And that was important when we were sitting there confused and wondering what we needed to do and what was the next step. They were always there. They just treat everybody the same. And I think that's important. I think it talks about the character of everybody that's in this. I mean, this is truly a team. The receptionist to the paralegal to the attorneys, they're a team and they're there for people. And I think that's huge.